Hi there. I am so excited to be here to share with you a new platform that is going to be launching on September 3rd. Russell Brunson has done it again. He was the original founder of ClickFunnels, and now he is creating OfferLab. OfferLab is a free platform for everybody to use. Plus, we have the opportunity to earn recurring commissions. Plus, he has an opportunity for affiliates to earn 100% commissions on selling or sharing the same platform. And you can actually earn a second tier as well. So if an affiliate refers somebody else and then they make a sale, you get commissions off of that as well. And so before I jump in, my name is Jennifer. I've been an entrepreneur for the past 10 years. About 2 years ago, I launched a lifestyle yoga brand called Magnolay. And I'm going to be using OfferLab for my offer for my yoga bag that I designed. And I want to share with you exactly how I'm going to be doing that. But before I do that, the first thing you'll want to do is register. Register to save your seat so that you can see everything that is going on with OfferLab, and it's free. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. And then once you register, you will get access to his videos. The first video here, and then that walks through. There's a VIP option where you can upgrade for $47, and then you get behind the scenes of all the 4 trainings and all of these, upgrades. And then after that, you also can, this is where you create your account. And then September 3rd through the 6th is when he actually will launch. Now, if you upgrade, there's another upgrade. So if you upgrade to the certificate affiliate program, you get the opportunity to jump up your commissions. So initially, you'd be making only 0.5%. However, if you jump up to an upgrade with the certification program, you can jump up your commissions to 2%. So every offer that you that sells, you get 2% of that. And there is a 2-tier. So it's a 2-tier platform, and then you get that forever, right? So that's the certification program. And once you get certified, if you certify before August 31st, 2025, you also get additional bonuses. You get access to our private Facebook community, lifetime access to Mila's mentorship program, $997 value. So all of these, you get a $197 gift card to a Shopify store with 700 digital products that you can actually sell immediately on OfferLab. You get tons of value, a super affiliate bot. I mean, so many things, over $2,000 worth of bonuses if you join the certification program by August 31st. Okay, so once you create an account, you get into OfferLab. Okay, so this is OfferLab. And if you click on this marketplace, this is where all the offers are. Okay, so they're categorized. There's Explorer, e-commerce, digital goods, courses and coaching, experiences. This kind of reminds me of Airbnb, but so if you click on e-commerce, there's automotive, pets, accessories, beauty, books, sports, and outdoors, clothing, etc. I mean, there's all sorts of offers out here. And what you'll want to do is be able to collaborate with the individuals who are placing these offers. And you'd be able to create funnels and build out your offer and funnel to your customers. And so that is the glory of OfferLab, right? So we're able to collaborate and build out offers that we can bundle together, or what you call upstack, stack together. So for example, I have my product here, right? The yoga bag. So I created my product. This is where you create your product. And then once you create your product, you create an offer. And so I created this offer, and I am basically selling for $54.99 with a commission of 10%. And you can change this commission. You can change it to whatever you want to, 1% all the way up to 100%. And so mine is at 10%. And you can enable it as an order bump, and you add in your policies. Now, and then you create a sales page for it. And this is my sales page. What's really neat about this is you can create a sales page with the OfferLab sales page feature, or you can actually pull in your sales page from your personal website, which I did not do here, but that is an option. My affiliates are already listed here. So I have this affiliate actually pending. She is looking to collaborate with me, and I just need to approve hers. And then this affiliate already got approved. And so if I go to my messages here, you'll be able to see when people have requested to be an affiliate. So for example, this one, my name is Jan. I'm new. Let's see. She said, I specialize in creating engaging videos that showcase how a product works in real life, highlighting its unique features and benefits. I believe my skills are a perfect fit to help you reach a wider audience of yoga enthusiasts. So this is an example of an affiliate who is looking to collaborate with me so she can promote my product. So the only thing I had to do was create an offer on OfferLab, and she reached out to me as an affiliate who wants to promote my product. And so what you do then is just approve it, and then I sent her a message saying, I'm excited to collaborate with her. And as soon as OfferLab has launch, we'd be able to create offers and promote, however we want to. And so let me go back to my pending request. So I have a pending request here, right? So she is a traveling yoga teacher. I would love to promote you and this product. I am in a growth phase and believe this product is in perfect alignment with my wellness. this is exactly what I've been looking for and been wanting to do, was to collaborate with yoga teachers. And I'd be able to do that now with my yoga bag. So this is, again, another opportunity to expand your reach with customers. So I already have 2 affiliates in place even before launch. And I also am looking to collaborate on my end. So I sent messages, let's see, so pending requests. So I sent a message just to this individual. She has an offer out there, this offer, Holistic Lifestyle Program. It's like an 8-week one-on-one program, which I think I could easily sell this to my customers on my email list. I would, create an offer and funnel with this offer and be able to sell it to my customers on my email list. So there's so many ways that you can collaborate and build out your offers. And all you do, and you can create as many offers or funnels as you want. So if I click on new funnel, I can see all of the different offers I've been approved for. You have to get approvals, from the individuals before you can actually offer them. But once they do approve you, they will show up here in your list. And this is, your main offer. So I can click that in here. So that's added. Do I want to add an order bump? So then I can click this and that will be added. Well, this is an offer too, but if I want to add it as an offer, as a order bump, I can click on that there, add it here as an order bump. If I didn't want this offer to, I can actually remove that. And then you have your checkout and you can add in an order summary and then you can publish. So there's so many different ways you can use this. It's just amazing. So there's so many, different benefits, and I am just, beginning this journey myself. So, but as I learn and as I grow, I definitely will be sharing this with you more often. But I will keep you updated on, my progress, and I just look forward to sharing with you. So let's, make offers and let's collaborate.